Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef in a pressure cooker. First, heat some oil in your pressure cooker on sauté mode. Brown your beef in batches until nicely seared on all sides. This step is crucial for developing deep flavor. Next, remove the beef and deglaze the pot with a splash of broth or wine, scraping up any brown bits. Then, sauté your onions and garlic until fragrant. Now, return the beef to the pot and add your chosen liquid, like beef broth, ensuring it meets the minimum fill line. You can also add vegetables such as carrots and potatoes at this stage. Secure the lid, set the valve to sealing, and cook on high pressure for about 45 to 60 minutes, depending on the cut and desired tenderness. Allow for natural pressure release for best results. Once the cooking time is complete, let the pressure release naturally for at least 10 to 15 minutes before quick releasing any remaining pressure. Carefully open the lid away from your face. If your sauce is too thin, you can thicken it by creating a cornstarch slurry and stirring it in while simmering. Finally, taste and adjust the seasonings with salt and pepper to your preference. Your delicious, tender pressure cooker beef is now ready to be served. It pairs wonderfully with mashed potatoes, rice, or a fresh green salad. Garnish with some fresh parsley or chives for an extra touch of color and flavor. Enjoy this comforting meal that took significantly less time than traditional methods. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check out the links in the description below. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.